Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using LRFD method based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using load and resistance factor design for heavy storage use with clear span of 6,000 mm by 3,000 mm and assumed thickness of 110 mm. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 49 MPa, main bars 12 mm bar grade 414, case number 2 for panel design. The uniform load for 110 mm thick slab is 2.64 kN per meter. A heavy storage live load is 11.97 kN per meter. Other dead load like floor finish and partition is 1.92 kN per meter, for a factored load of 24.624 kN per meter. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S20, case 2, panel design, longer span 6,000 mm, shorter span 3,000 mm, slab thickness 110 mm, main bars 12 mm bar at grade 414, strength of concrete 49 MPa, and factored load 24.624 kPa. Use case 2 at m equals 0.5. Refer coefficients for negative moments and shear computations. Use case 2 at m equals 0.5. Refer coefficients for dead load and live load positive moments. Moments at short direction. Negative moment at continuous edge is 19.059 kN-meter. Positive moment at mid-span is 13.198 kN-meter. Moments at long direction. Negative moment at continuous edge is 5.319 kN-meter. Positive moment at mid-span is 3.152 kN-meter. Given short direction, continuous edge moment equals 19.059 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 3 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00753. Given short direction, mid-span moment equals 13.198 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.078 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00515. Given long direction, continuous edge moment equals 5.319 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.838 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00204. Use Rho minimum of 0.00423. Given long direction, mid-span moment equals 3.152 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.496 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00121. Use Rho minimum of 0.00423. At short direction, given continuous edge Rho equals 0.00753, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm, the area of steel is 632.52 square millimeters, and the spacing for 12 mm bar is 175 mm. Given mid-span Rho equals 0.00515, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm, the area of steel is 432.6 square millimeters, and the spacing for 12 mm bar is 260 mm. At long direction, given continuous edge and mid-span Rho equals 0.00423, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 84 mm, the area of steel for both sections is 355.32 square millimeters, and the spacing for 12 mm bar is 315 millimeters. At short direction, the shear force from dead load is 6.43 kN and live load is 16.878 kN for a factored shear force of 34.721 kN. At long direction, the shear force from dead load is 0.821 kN and live load is 2.155 kN for a factored shear force of 4.433 kN. The nominal shear force is 46.295 kN, less than 99.96 kN concrete capacity. Design recommendation as follows. Fc prime equals 49 MPa, Fy equals 414 MPa, panel dimension is 6000 mm by 3000 mm, thickness is 110 mm, short direction bars of grade 414, top bars 750 mm at continuous edge, 12 mm bar at 175 mm on center, bottom bars 12 mm bar at 260 mm on center, long direction bars of grade 414, top bars 1500 mm at continuous edge, 12 mm bar at 315 mm on center, bottom bars 12 mm bar at 315 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.